take 2 to 3 inch long softwood cuttings from branches that have grown this year. Remove lower leaves. Roots will grow at these nodes or leaf joints. Now take some water in a glass bottle. Rub aloe vera gel on the cutting. Aloe vera will encourage roots. You can cut aloe vera leaf and mix in water. Placed bottle in bright shade. Change 25% water every 4th day. Finally, bottle should have 100% clean water when roots begin to form. Keep on changing water every 4th day. The cutting has grown strong roots. Now planting the rooted cutting in soil. Mix potting soil, cow manure and sand in equal amount. This makes the nutrition-rich free-draining soil. Take a pot having many drainage holes. Fill the pot with this potting soil. Spray some water. Plant the rooted cuttings and secure the cutting in soil. Water and keep the pot in bright shade for a week, and then in full sun.